Welcome back to the channel, everyone. So as you can see, I'm outside this laundromat here. Gonna go inside, check it out, and you're probably thinking to yourself, how do I get a laundromat? How could I run my own business? Where do I get started? How do I find one for sale? If you're lost, confused, have no idea where to start, make sure you stay tuned, because I'm going to show you 3 ways that I have personally used and that I continue to use that have secured my first laundromat and have now given me the opportunity to open up 2 more. So step 1, by far the easiest step out of the 3. You're going to do this from your own house. You don't even have to get off the couch to do this, but go on the internet. Simply Google laundromats for sale near me. You're going to come up with a bunch of websites like LoopNet, BizBuySell, both great websites. You're going to have plenty of information on there. There's going to be a business broker more than likely that's listed that business for sale. He'll have a little description. You may or may not get some financials out of them, but there's going to be a phone number. Reach out, give them a call, talk to them, see what you can find. You could type in different areas. You could search where you're looking for. You know, it's great access to finding a laundromat. The next website, Craigslist. They do have a business section where you can list your business for sale. There's plenty of good things for sale on there. There are laundromats definitely available. You know, you're going to find something maybe a little more rundown on there, or you could find something high end. But whatever it is that you're looking for, you can definitely find something on Craigslist. And then the third place that I would highly suggest is going on to Facebook. Facebook Marketplace has really expanded since it's come out. There's plenty of things for sale. There's plenty of options that you could go on there, and you just got to stick with it. You know, this isn't something that, you know, you're going to Google or search these every day and you're going to find a new one listed constantly. This is something you may look in the morning, nothing for sale for weeks and weeks and weeks, and then all of a sudden, boom, you find one, jump on it, move. But you got to act fast. Whenever you see it pop up for sale, you got to reach out, you got to get moving. You can't wait around because somebody's going to go ahead and take it out from under you. So the next thing that I highly suggest, we're basically going to just expand off of step 1, and that's going to be get up off your ass, get in your car, get in your bike, ask somebody for a ride, and you're going to want to get up, get out there, and go check out laundromats. I suggest not going more than 25 to 30 minutes from where you live, and you're going to want to just drive in that general vicinity. Go find as many laundromats as you can. Stop in, check them out, talk to the people who are in there, ask if they know the owner. Some places may have an attendant that works there full time. They're guaranteed to know who owns the place. Or, you know what, maybe the owner is actually in the store. You get lucky, you get to talk to them and say, hey, let them know, I'm interested in buying your laundromat. Or, hey, do you know any laundromats for sale around here? If you're ever interested in getting out of the business, take down my phone number. You got to get out there, you got to network, and you're going to find a way. Leave your phone number, slide it underneath the door. If there's a back office in the laundromat and nobody's around, write your phone number down with a quick note that says, hey, this is my name, my phone number. If you're ever interested in selling, let me know. I'm your man. But you got to get out, you got to socialize. Go find what you want. You can't sit there and wait for it to come to you. Go out there, find a laundromat, let the owner know that you're interested, keep pushing, be consistent. But you can't just sit around and wait for it to come to you. So the third and final step that I suggest that you do is to locate your local distributor. You're going to want to go out, check them out, talk to them, let them know that you're looking to buy, lease, whatever it is you want to do, but just let them know that you're trying to get into the laundromat business. And again, there may be something for sale right now, there may not be, but the best thing you can do, let somebody know that you're interested. The distributors, they deal with laundromat owners daily. They go there to get their supplies, their equipment, you name it. But they're going to be the ones who get the first intel on who's looking to sell, who's looking to get out of the business, and they'll be willing to pass along your information and get that moving along so that you can move right in and possibly buy your first laundromat. So just by doing those 3 simple things, I can almost assure you that you're going to find a laundromat at some point. Now don't get discouraged if it doesn't happen within a day, a week, a month. It's going to take time. This isn't no get rich quick scheme. This isn't you're gonna find a business and then the next day you're gonna own it. You're gonna have to fight through, you're gonna have competition, you're gonna have to put the work in. You got to get out there, you got to put in the work. You gotta do what you gotta do, but eventually something's gonna come through. I personally use these steps. I've done them all. I've secured my first laundromat, and I now have the opportunity for 2 more, just by doing these simple things. People will reach out to you. Make sure, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Think about subscribing to the channel, and stay tuned for the next part of this series where you find a laundromat, and now you gotta know, is it the right one? How to know if it's in the right area or if it's gonna make money. So stay tuned. See you on the next video.